me. Oops, sorry. That I'm. Oh, fuck yeah.
Factory 52.
This place looks cool as shit.
Yeah.
Oh, is he behind us?
I fucking took the wrong highway altogether. We were supposed to get on 471.
Oh, I was wondering why the miles kept going up.
Yeah. Well, I was ignoring this because it was trying to get me to take 915, and I wanted to get there in a decent time. So I figured, for some reason, I kept thinking it was
off of 275.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you were thinking of the Mount Carmel.
Yeah. Come on. What takes them so long? Look at this, they're making it real nice now.
Yeah, they've been working on that for a while now.
Alright.
It's gonna look nice. Yeah. This dude posted he was riding a motorcycle and he's stuck in traffic, but these pedal bikes were passing him in the bike lane, you know, like they could clearly go past like the line of traffic. So he was just like, and he gets in the bike lane and it just starts pedaling. Front were normal bikes, and then the guy in the back was on a truck. Me, oops, sorry. That I'm a noob. Just a newbie to it. I think there's an owl house.
Owl house?
Yeah, I think you've seen it. It's a house that's shaped as an owl.
Oh, yeah, I think I know what you're talking about.
Oh, we're not going that way anymore.
Nah, I know what you're talking about though.
Yeah, I think it's on, maybe we may have passed it already, I don't know. It's somewhere.
It's in Cincinnati, just because of like the historic homes.
Because of the what?
The historic homes. Like all these houses are so old.
Yeah, I really like them because of how different they are.
Yeah, right?
But apparently they cost a fortune to keep warm. I love it.
You need a GS for this.
You need a dildo on the back.
Oh my god. I'm just picturing it.
I'm just so well, I was imagining the feeling. This is when I would have stalled it.
This place is cool. Looks like it got bought out.
The United States Printing. I wonder if your dad knows about that place.
Oh, 100%.
I kind of like this blue brick. It's kind of metallic.
Yeah, that's cool.
I like that.
Right.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Factory 52.
This place looks cool as shit.
Yeah.
Oh, is he behind us?
I'm gonna get a picture in front of his card. Yeah, that brick's sweet. Hell yeah. Out here being tourists. Right here in our backyard.
Right.
Everybody driving through here is looking at us like we're getting ready to walk across.
Oh. There's a lot of traffic here. It's way more than
I know,
thought.
dude. Why is there so many people coming through here? It's all houses.
No, I think it's all this shit.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, there's weed.
You walking there?
It's right here.
Around
It's
the corner?
the neon sign right here.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. It's a cool
Check out
place.
this. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You good?
This is my first time.
Fucking rookie over here.
I don't know why. I just get a good old kick out of the old all ginger restaurant. Over in Europe, you literally just get bathrooms. Like, it's just a bathroom. Whereas over here, it's imagined what ginger you are. Kind of interesting.
I drink a lot, so I probably added a lot of weight onto me.
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Was that me? Did I f*** you up? You just f***ed up and you're trying to play it cool right now. But you f***ed up. That feels good to me. So no, I'm not the only one that f***s up. Well, I haven't f***ed up like that before. I've just stalled it out. You f***ed up like we were about to fall.
But did we?
You know what? And that's okay.
But did we fall? They got cornhole.
There's cornhole and they have fire.
Ace's Pickleball Kitchen.
And kitchen. Not pickleball kitchen. Pickleball plus kitchen.
Plus kitchen.
Plus kitchen.
There's
Oh, do you think this is like Ace? No, this isn't Ace Brewery.
Here's Gatherall. Look how cute the old buildings are.
Smells so good.
God, it smells good. Holy shit.
Right? Now it's making me hungry.
There's fretboard.
Yeah.
Do not enter one way.
Enter.
Yeah, but I like that.
You like what? You like what?
Entering the places that you shouldn't enter.
Uh-oh. Like what?
Anal.
Oh. Well, I guess your last one must have been that good.
So these are all apartments?
No, these are houses. Yes, they're apartments.
Pretty cool.